Shanghai Qantas Level 29 boarding for service now commenced to the through gate lounge 9. Thank you.
Doing this in an airport lounge is really not a good idea. Okay, so I'm back from Mongolia. I'm keeping my voice just a little bit quiet at the moment because I'm in a departure lounge, which I'll get to in 1 second. I wanted to do this video as soon as possible after getting back from Mongolia because it left just an amazing mark on me. I mean, it's a beautiful place. There are actually not enough words to describe how desolate, isolated.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the information for passengers travelling to Los Angeles and New York, regarding a previous announcement for delay of this service, we did make an announcement for new departure time of 12:40. This has been corrected. Your new departure time is 11:40. Once again, for passengers travelling to Los Angeles and New York, on the slide 11, a correction for passengers travelling on this service. We did previously announce the new departure time of 12:40, when your estimated departure time now is 11:40.
But I wanted to get to how the gear went. I've got a video coming out on what the place looked like. I'm going to talk about how amazingly beautiful, remote, isolated, what a beautiful people the people of Mongolia are. But I did want to talk about gear because it was minus 27. It was bitterly, bitterly cold. I mean, my fingers were, for most of the time, absolutely frozen. Every time I took them out of my gloves to take film, I'd get 2-3 minutes before it was completely debilitating. But gear, surprisingly, was an issue. The Mavic Mini, I was flying the Mavic 120 meters above the ground, flying it 2 or 3 kilometers away. I really expected problems. Had zero issues with the Mavic at all. Battery life, completely fine. Kept the batteries nice and locked away safe in the Fly More combo battery charger, so no issues whatsoever. Surprisingly, the problem I had was with this thing, the Nikon Z7. I had untold issues. Battery life wasn't too bad, to be completely honest. Main issue was with locking shutter. I would shoot, I'd be either filming or taking photos, and it was ridiculously cold. This is not the sort of temperature you want to be using a camera. But yeah, the camera would give up. I'd get locked shutter. I'd have to bring the camera inside a couple of times and put it on top of a heater. Yeah, it was really problematic. Bit of a surprise considering the Nikon Z7 is really built quite robustly. I was a bit surprised about that. They're about to call my flight. I'm in Sydney, so I'm only just back from Mongolia, but I'm about to shoot off again. I'm in Sydney right now, but in the best part of 6 or 7 minutes I'm boarding and I'm heading to Africa, which I'm pretty excited about. So first stop is in South Africa. I'll be hitting Cape Town as well as some surrounding areas. But right after that I'm heading into Ghana and spending a few days in the capital, Accra, before heading out into the real deep remote areas of northern Ghana, place called Bolgatanga. So that's going to be quite cool. I'm looking forward to that. So I had an extremely early start this morning. Was up at 4 o'clock. I'm about 4 coffees in. I'm a little hyper. I'm running a bit late. Trying to keep my voice down because it's kind of weird to do this in an airport lounge, but yeah.
Boarding call, ladies and gentlemen, guests travelling to Shanghai Qantas Level 29 boarding for service now through gate lounge.
Doing this in an airport lounge is really not a good idea. I'm trying to keep my voice down because people think I'm super weird, but yeah, really looking forward to it. I'm about to board. I'm gonna work on my Mongolia videos while I'm there. If you haven't seen the Mongolia teaser, it's out now. Link will be in the description. If you like this video, if you like the Mongolia teaser, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
Bye.